Welcome to James Monroe Elementary. We have learned that our school building is a system of systems, all working together to keep us safe and comfortable so we can work, play, and learn together. Take a tour through our school and learn about the systems, what they do, and how they work. When you see a QR tag posted on the wall, use the QR reader on your smartphone or iPad to open a video link. QR tags are color-coded to show how there are many parts and subsystems supporting each main system in our school. We hope you enjoy and learn from your tour.
This past year, our students stepped into a new building that is not only built to save energy, is designed in a fascinating industrial textile that uses non-traditional finishes and leaves many of the normally hidden parts of any building exposed to view. The first months in our new school were punctuated by dozens of questions in the hallways, the classrooms, the cafeteria, everywhere we went. Because our students were so intrigued by the things they were noticing, Barney Peterson, a fourth grade teacher at Monroe, decided to capitalize on their curiosity by working with a construction manager to create an authentic learning opportunity that supports the growing emphasis on STEM education. Together, we decided to take a systems approach to organize our research. Students listed all the functions that they could think of that normally happen to make a school building run. We walked around with tablets and took pictures of everything that caught their eyes or captured their curiosity: switches, pipes, wires, holes, covers, color patterns, material surfaces. Next, we looked through our images and organized them into related groups such as lighting, interior, design, wiring, walls, and floors. Working with the project construction supervisor for our district, we were able to narrow down a list of the major systems of the building. Then we brought in 7 speakers to help the students understand the parts of each system and how they work, separately and together. The speakers were actual individuals that had worked on our building. Students began resorting their photos to align with the systems they posted in their Monroe Elementary Systems of Systems wall. This became a visual organizer that was modified as our understanding of the systems and their components and subsystems grew. Students also began recording questions that occurred to them as they sorted the photos and listened to the speakers. Next, in teams of 3, students began organizing and concentrating their information, linking it with specific images, then writing scripts so that they could create videos to explain our building and its systems to others. This communications phase was very labor-intensive. Mr. Walker took on the task of writing brief narratives, linking system and subsystems together to help students organize their production. He and Miss Peterson then sat down with each system team and discussed how they should write their scripts to be sure that accurate, important information was included. They focused on asking students questions to reveal their understanding in areas where they needed more clarification to report accurately. A priority for the project was having students share their learning in their own language and style. Where necessary, they guided students in finding or correcting information. Once the videos were created and uploaded to a website, Microsoft tags were created. Together, we assigned a color code to each major system. The next step was to print the QR code tags on color-coded paper, laminate them, and post them in the school. Using this system allowed any student or visitor with a smartphone or tablet computer to scan the QR tags and learn about our school. Before the final posting of tags throughout our building, students had one final important step to complete: self-evaluation. Using a 2-color response form developed from the project design, each student used a yellow highlighter to color in boxes rating themselves on specific criteria. Students and teacher then met to discuss the ratings. Where they both agreed, it was considered accepted. If there were areas where both blue and yellow showed separately, they would discuss the reasons for differences and plan how they could be resolved. All areas were required to earn green coding before the final QR tags could be created and posted. Overall, it was an exciting project that engaged students and got them thinking about their school building in new ways.